Presenting Boat Xtend Smartwatch in charcoal black. It is also available in deep blue, olive green, pitch black and sandy cream. It comes in a size of 26 into 5 into 1 centimeters and weighs 54 grams. The 1.69 inches square color LCD display comes in a captivating touch experience. The ambient light display comes with multiple customizable watch faces. The 5 ATM rating makes it dust, sweat and splash resistant, and it has a battery life of 7 days. The watch features stress and heart rate monitor, sleep tracker and blood oxygen monitor to keep tabs on your overall health. The smartwatch comes with 14 sports modes and built-in Alexa. The box contains the smartwatch, user manual, warranty card, charging cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.